Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some little spring Easter chick. Supplies are listed below, so let's get started. I'm making mini Easter chicks, but you can make these any size you want. Now take your pipe cleaner and fold it over about 1/2 inch or 1.5 centimeters. Do the same on the other side. These will be the wings, so make sure they're even. With the excess pipe cleaner now in the middle, start wrapping around twice. This will form the body. Making sure the body's centered, you're now ready to make the head. Measure up from the body about 3.5 centimeters or 1.25 inches and cut. With your needle nose pliers, grip the end of the pipe cleaner and start turning it towards yourself until you reach the body. Adjust the head until you're happy with its position. Now it's time to gently bend the wings back until they're in a position that you like. It's starting to look like a chick already. Now let's bring this little guy to life by giving him some eyes and a beak. Fold a piece of yellow paper in half and trim down to size. Cut out triangle shapes. Use the ones for the beak that have the wide folded part in the back. The wide folded part of the beak will be glued to the head. If you don't have yellow paper, just take some white paper and color it with yellow markers. Just as a side note, you can make these little chicks out of any color pipe cleaner that you like. They look really sweet all grouped together in a little nest. Now you can use your favorite glue for this part, but I use a hot glue gun. I would just like to say here, if you are doing this project with small children, please follow any safety precautions. So cute already. Now let's give these little chickadees some eyes so they can see where they're going. Here again I used a hot glue gun, which is a bit fiddly and does take some practice. I would not like to say how many projects I ruined with my glue gun. This might be a good time to say if you enjoyed the tutorial, leave me a comment below, like, share, or consider subscribing if you want to see more. With the other eye in place, you could just call this project done. You don't really need feet if they're just going into a nest or a basket, because feet would just get in the way. You only need the feet if they're going to be freestanding. They're already so cute just the way they are. But if you'd like to have some freestanding chicks, I'll show you how to make the feet for those. For simplicity, you could just use some of the yellow paper, cut a small heart shape and use that. But today I'll be using some thin yellow electrical wire. I'm cutting a length of wire 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters long. Start bending your wire into a little M shape. You can adjust the size of the shape to fit whatever size your chick is. If you have a better way of making these, then use your own method. But just for simplicity, I did it this way. So just trim off the ends, not too close because you don't want your little chick to topple over. And here we are. They should look like this, I think. Not too bad. Now for gluing them onto the chick. I'll be using my trusty glue gun again, but you can use whatever you're comfortable with. I am not going to show you my glue gun because it's very old and not very nice looking, but it still works very well. So there you have it. Just let the glue dry a little bit and give it a little press, and there you go, a little chickadee. So cute and so easy to make. Thank you for taking time out of your day. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a great day. Bye-bye.